Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different from the last two videos you saw. This is going to be a car related video, something new to me and something new to my channel, but hopefully it's going to be something that's just going to keep coming up as I do things to my car. I realized that I haven't made a video on my car before, so I want to go ahead and introduce you to my daily ride right here. It is a 2020 Infiniti Q60 Redsport. Now I have already done a couple little cosmetic stuff to it. I didn't record to it, but this right here was one of the first things I did. It's a carbon fiber M style M cap, or was it M style mirror cap?
Mirror cap, there you go.
And then
can't show the license plate.
A carbon. I just blurred out, bro. I just blurred out. So this is a carbon fiber M style. What you call it? Like a spoiler, duckbill. Yeah.
Looks way better.
I ain't gonna lie, my car's a little dirty right now. It has been raining in town recently, so I haven't really been in a hurry to wash it. Shout out to my boy Smurf Media right here. I'm sure he'll be on my channel eventually. Also started repping with status with my boy Fernie, which I hope you guys get to meet soon too. And the main event today for this video, boom, right here. An ARC Performance Catback titanium exhaust system right here. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not happy with how much I spent on this, but let me introduce you guys to my boy Gio right here, helping me out today.
What up? Y'all see it. Send my way.
I'll introduce you guys to him a little bit more too, and his ride, because I ain't gonna lie, that shit is nice. All right, I'm gonna cut right here, but I'm gonna open this up so I can show you guys a little bit about what's inside. This is gonna be a 2-day video because we're recording the intro today to not waste a lot of time tomorrow, because we're gonna be installing it tomorrow. Now, I do want to say this is not going to be a how-to video because we're not professionals. It's actually going to be my first time doing a modification to any vehicle, to be honest. Before this, I used to drive a Mercedes. It wasn't really that much aftermarket parts for it to be upgrading and doing stuff like that. So that is why I'm really hopping onto this build and really trying to make it my car and make it something that I want to drive and something that I enjoy driving. But hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys stay tuned, but let's get to it. All right, so I haven't looked at it yet. We opened it. I kind of peeked, but I was like, you know what? I want this to be genuine. I want this to be raw. So, moment of truth right here. Moment of truth. This is gonna be. Damn! Imagine it was damaged, bro. Nah.
That shit was like 90 pounds.
So it's looking like what? Just 2-3 separate parts.
These are mufflers, tips, all your hardware. That's nice. Well, that's really nice.
That they packaged it like on its own. Yeah.
I like that.
Dude, you know that's why I was kind of worried about opening it, because I was like, man, I'm gonna lose some pieces. Damn.
Give a little insight, you know?
Yes, sir. All right, so right here, we decided we're just gonna unbox this one part right here, show you guys, give you guys a little sneak peek, because we're not working on it till tomorrow. But fuck, man, sorry, excuse the language, but look at that, bro.
Burnt tip. You see it on the show. Shit.
I'm keeping that covered right now. Just avoid fingertips, but ARC Performance right here. I realize, ain't nobody ever gonna see that because it's gonna be under the car, but I'ma know it's there. You know what I mean? But look at these welds, man.
This shit's hard.
God, bro, I am so excited. You can ask my boy Joe right here. I've been talking about this for a long time. Since I got the car, I've been wanting this, and I was debating. We were waiting to see if maybe it had like a little price drop for Black Friday and all that. It did, but shipping and sales tax, honestly, I ended up paying the same. But, I don't think I'm going to regret this. I think it's going to be really exciting, really fun to do, really fun to experience. But we are going to fast forward a little bit. I'm going to do a before and after, just, cold start and a couple pulls, just so we can get like a, to see if it's really, a little good base, see if this is worth it in your opinion, to see if, should I say how much I dropped on this shit?
You can say what it retails for.
Yo, it retails for around $2,300. I didn't pay that much. I didn't want to pay that much, but we were cutting it pretty close, man. I don't regret it. I understand that things like this on a car aren't really like an investment. It's more of a, you enjoy it and it's something you want to do, and that's what we're here for. We're here to really enjoy it. You guys need to go check out my boy Gio's channel right here. He'll do a little bit of the same kind of talking, because he's got some plans for his car too. I'm excited for us to, go through this together, but hope you guys enjoy. All right, this is going to be the cold start without the new exhaust system. Here we go.
Yeah, let's go.
Nothing special, but
Sounds like a regular car.
wait on.
Oh, I know.
All right. All right, so we're gonna head out, try to find a little road where we can do some pulls, just to get some drive-bys, so you guys can hear. What it sounds like. Just regular. I might put it on sport. I don't know really. I'm still getting to know this car a little bit, so I don't know if it really changes a lot when I go into sport and just regular standard. Because I know with Geos, you're
Yeah, I got an active exhaust.
Yeah.
Valves open. But with this car, I feel like it'll just rev out more, so maybe it'll be louder. I don't know. We'll do some research.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I can just search up something.
I'm gonna show y'all a little. I don't know if Geo's cool with it, but we're gonna show you his whip when we out there, so you guys can get a little. Ooh, see what he's rolling with. But all right, we'll catch you there in a bit. All right, so we pulled up to a park over here to do some pulls. We were kind of testing it out. Undisclosed location. If you're from the D-Town, then maybe you know. You definitely know. I'm actually gonna let my boy Geo drive, because this is gonna be his first time whipping the Redsport right here.
She's a lot cleaner inside than mine, bro.
Should I give him a peek?
Give him a peek, bro. Who cares?
Alright.
Some light.
Alright. God. Alright. We'll let him go around. We'll see what.
So I'm gonna feel for it, because this is my first time driving it. I'm gonna feel for it, just going down this road, do a pull, and then I'll do a little pull, just coming like probably from like second or third. Nothing too major, because we already know the line. So if we take it on the road, we might do like a third to fourth. It should be alright.
Make sure you put on that manual. It's kind of weird. I've never seen my car be driven.
But it sounds stock.
Yeah.
You gotta slap this bitch on, bro.
We're not gonna waste too many
I think it's pretty good.
clips on the stock. We're gonna do a little bit more once we get the new exhaust in, but so far so good. Should we do a little pull in the soup?
You want to give the guys a little something?
Oh, I think we should.
Let's do it.
All right. All right, this one's gonna be strictly on iPhone audio right here.
You're gonna get a lot of wind.
All right, bro. I'll throw in noise reduction. Oh, you spinning it like that?
You let me know when you're ready.
We good, bro. We good.
I might spin though. It's still early.
God. Damn, bro. I hope they heard the intakes, bro. That's all I'm saying. God. All right. We'll catch you guys tomorrow.
Dude, it was slipping though. I could feel it.
We gonna call it a day on recording today. We'll catch you tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow.
Stay tuned. Welcome back, everybody. This is day 2. We're out here, and it's a little fast forward. We went ahead and got the car lifted up right here. My boy Gio, back again. Homie Wild, he has not slept, so I really do shout out to my boy right here. Appreciate him being here. Homie works 12-hour shifts, woke up, went to the gym, and came straight here. Real one.
Another Tuesday.
But big shout out to our neighbor, well, my neighbor. Homie allowed us to use his lift right here. It's gonna make this process a whole lot easier. I did realize somebody done beat this shit up right here. It was not me.
Hell
But we're gonna go ahead and unbox the stuff right here. My bad. Go ahead and unbox the stuff right here, set it up, kind of align it the way we're gonna be putting it on, and then we're gonna get to work on getting this one off right here. I don't know how much of the process we're gonna record just because we don't want to waste a ton of time and use up, you know, this lift that they're letting us borrow for the whole fucking day. But my boy Gio getting started over. He wants to go home and sleep.
Sleep?
Look at him. Look at him.
Right.
Damn. All right. We'll catch you here in a bit when we got everything set up. Stay tuned. All right, so we got started on the, what do you call it? Fucking taking it apart. On this one right here, I'm gonna give you guys a little look at a before underneath. Damn, I'm gonna zoom out. We got some rust going on,
Right,
you know.
it's just clapped.
But basically, it was a bitch to get these out, bro. You hear that noise? Oh, that's you, dude. Like, what the fuck? You got me tripping, dude. I did as looked up for a second. I was like, I'm about to die, bro. All right, man. I got the GoPro set up right here. I might do a little time lapse of us getting this off. Just depends, because I don't know if the battery on the GoPro is that good, but so far it's looking all right. We're gonna try to get it all off in one piece. That way we don't gotta, you know, take too much apart, because this is kind of rusted right here. Luckily we got all new hardware, all new bolt, so should hopefully work out pretty good, but we'll see how it goes. All right, I did get a little time lapse of us, like the very end of this, getting this off. We about dropped it. Nah. But surprisingly, these little, we call like hangers almost, we're kind of holding on right here. See, I don't know proper terms, but we're hanging on right here. Just literally slid out after we got it disconnected from the downpipes over there, but it's looking all right. Gio kind of wanted to turn it on with nothing on it.
I was just curious, bro.
Because I do have a remote start. It would be possible, but
It'd be so fucking loud.
but we gonna pass on that one for now. All right, we'll do another time lapse while we're installing. All right, so we finally got this rigged up. We haven't timed stuff yet, but if you can see over here, we start off down from the downpipes right here. Everything's still loose. We gotta adjust everything. It's hanging kind of low. It wasn't too bad. We were a little confused
Gotta
because
show the tips.
if you could tell right here, look, get a little closer.
Oh,
If you can tell right here, there's a big difference on this curve right here. So we were kind of confused at first, but we realized we were flopping back and forth on which one was gonna go in where. But it's looking good. I'm loving the way that it's looking right now.
All we gotta do is adjust both tips, because right now it's resting on the bumper, or part of the diffuser, I guess you could say. But yeah, we just gotta adjust these two little guys and the rest of it.
And Arc Performance really want to make it known that this is
Dude.
there.
But it's like
exhaust
it's
system right
subliminal
here.
though, dude.
Yeah.
It's subliminal. And it looks really good.
Like I was saying yesterday, I was like, man, ain't nobody ever gonna see this, but what they do, they gonna know. They gonna know.
They gonna see it.
You
dog.
can't tell right here on the top it says Arc as well. We kept this on just to reduce fingerprints because we do gotta clean it up a little bit before we turn it on for the first time because we don't want any fingerprints getting stuck on there. But for the most part, I'm loving how it's coming out way better than this over here. Let's show you what we had on here before, man.
Bro, this thing
Look
beat
at
up.
the difference in the size. Like, I could fit my hand around this.
Yeah.
I could fit my hand around this. It's crazy. This ugly ass muffler right here has seen better days for sure. The exits are smaller. Everything's big ass difference on these.
Yo, but look at the view. Dude, this thing is fucking killer. Oh, Jesse, wait till you see this, dog.
Man. Alright, so we're gonna get everything tying up and make sure, you know, fitment is good, everything's aligning well, and then we're gonna do the first cold start with this new exhaust system. We're gonna do just like we did yesterday, some pulls in it. I might let Joe whip it again to do that shit, but man,
I'm down.
I am excited. We'll catch you in a bit. Moment of truth. You ready?
Go.
Imagine a rev though.
Dude, and the thing is, I wasn't even a cold start.
I know. My bad. I feel like it won't sound as crisp on the video, bro. Alright, welcome back. It's been a little while since the last clip. Obviously, we're in a different location. We're back at the park that we were at yesterday doing the drive-bys, which we're going to do again today. I am going to say, we did start the car up already. Obviously, you guys saw it in that last clip. Was a little bit of a letdown from what I was expecting, but we did a little bit of research after, realized what was wrong with it. So I messed up to where I didn't really do my research that good with it. The car that I originally saw this exhaust system on had an upgraded downpipe to it, had a tune to the car, so it was a completely different sound than I was expecting. But nevertheless, I do like it. You know, this is my...
You can keep talking.
So this is my daily car. I wasn't going for something that was really loud, really obnoxious, just because I don't want to be driving maybe a long distance and I'm just hearing it all the time. So I really do like the subtleness of it. Let's get a little look around how it sticks out here.
Oh yeah,
Little details of the arc on top there.
Oh, and then from under. Yeah, dude. I mean, she sits pretty. At least she looks pretty.
Pretty. So, obviously, there's still more things I'm gonna do to this car. It's gonna be step by step. I do not know if next I'm gonna go with the downpipe upgrade too, just to kind of fix the sound a little bit, or go ahead and do my intake so I can get that noise out of the twin turbos that this car does have. But let's go ahead and start it up real quick, do some revs, and then I'll do some drive-bys to see how it goes.
All right, go.
Obviously, this isn't a cold start. It's going to sound a lot better on a cold start. But I'm going to give it a couple revs just to see what it sounds like. Do some drive-bys, and that might be the end of this video.